Welcome everyone in today's video of how to log in.
Do you want to get logged in IDFC Bank? This was this entire video because this is what this tutorial is for. First step is really simple. You just need to open your browser and search for the keywords IDFC Bank login. Let me show you in my browser over in the screen IDFC Bank login and click on the login link of the bank. Here you can see the official website of IDFC and login button over there. Click on it and you will be redirected to the search interface. Here you have to fill your phone number in order to get sign in, and then you have to fill the password over there, and if all the verification are correct you will be logged in.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find more helpful videos like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment down in the comment section below.